Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you how to add a reCAPTCHA version 3 in your Elementor form. You need to go to google.com, search Google reCAPTCHA. Google reCAPTCHA. Click it, admin console, create, copy your domain name, reCAPTCHA version 3, domain name, submit, copy site key, go to your WordPress site, Elementor, settings, integrations, reCAPTCHA version 3, site key, copy secret key, save changes, go to your contact form, edit with Elementor, add item, reCAPTCHA version 3. We have three choices, bottom right, bottom left, inline, or bottom right. So I will choose bottom right. Update, view your feeds. See, we're now using your form is now protected with reCAPTCHA. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.